So this is my Sable Parti boy, BieChi, again, 3.5 weeks old. Them ears are starting to go up on this one, and the sun. And again, just checking him over, making sure everything's going well, and everything is so far. So he's got lovely sable markings on his head, which they tend to lighten up as they get older. You can see he's getting lighter on the back there, and he's got a little patch on his back as well, which is sable also, so that may lighten as well, more like a light fawn colour. A little bit smaller than his chocolate party brother. Beautiful, little black nose. A little bit more inquisitive, I think. Oh, look at that face. Aren't you beautiful? Oh, very cute with them ears as well. Again, difficult to tell what sort of a coat. His coat's a bit softer than his chocolate party brother, but still no clue as to whether he's going to have a beaver coat or a Chihuahua coat. At the moment, it's still only 3.5 weeks. Hey, mister. Yeah. What was that? What was that? Very cute, aren't you? Yes.